Hello my friends. On today's quick tip for Lightroom Classic, I wanted just to talk a little bit about photography and the photography that I do. And when I take an image, I want that image to be a strong storytelling image. Am I conveying that story, that message in that single image or group of images? And I feel that colour can distract me from identifying in that image, is it a strong image? I've got 2 or 3 images in the survey mode, for example. Which one or which ones are stronger in that narrative, in that story? Now, I'm sorry to interrupt this YouTube video, but I've got to pay the bills. And today's sponsor is me, as always, and my Lightroom Mondays. Now, I host on a Monday evening, UK time, a live Lightroom support group where each week we look at a theme, a task, and finish the evening with your Lightroom questions and answers. Now, this is by annual or lifetime membership, and we look at different functionalities of Lightroom and Lightroom Classic and associated apps and help you in the questions and workflow that you want to speed up or address and become a better user of Lightroom and Lightroom Classic. And actually pointing out functionality that you may not be aware that you're probably already paying for. So why not come and join us, lightroommonday.com. And it's live on Zoom. You get a recording if you attend, and I look forward to welcoming you to one of our sports groups. Now let's get back to this quick tip. So I want to identify what is a strong image. What images am I looking at are telling that narrative? And how I do that is by taking away colour. And we can go off to the develop module and we can click down into the basic and we can click on the black and white slider and so on, etc. But I don't want to come away from this view. And there's a really simple keyboard shortcut, and that's the letter V. And we press the letter V and it immediately goes into black and white. And it takes away that colour straight away, presents it as a preview, and I can decide whether does that image tell that story. Now if I want to go back to colour, just press V again and it takes me back to V. And I use this lots of times in my storytelling. I've got perhaps 25 images, I want to narrow them down to maybe 12 or 16, and I'll make survey mode, and I've picked and rejected all the images and I'm colouring them down, and then I get to the last few and I'll start using the V shortcut keyboard to take away the colours. Is that a stronger image? Is that telling me that story? So keyboard shortcuts, really good way of jumping around into Lightroom Classic's modules and tools very, very quick. So the letter V on your keyboard, PC and Mac, and it takes away the colour. I hope that great Lightroom Classic quick tip helped you, and why not subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, turn on that bell. You know it, everyone asks you to do it. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Or perhaps visit lightroommark.com, sign up for my newsletter where I send out a weekly email, what's happening in our Lightroom support, a quick tip every week, and so on. So I look forward to seeing you again. Take care. All the best for now.